Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, I want to talk about this distance meter right here. This is a really cool option from Sigmund. There's a great brand. Use them for a lot of different things. I like it. Again, you can see how small it is. That's probably one of my favorite things. You can just throw this in your pack. Comes in a little pack right here. You're going to put this in your bag or keep it in your pocket. It's so small. But then you can pull it out. And one of the cool things I like about it, again, the nice screen looks really good right there. It looks really, nice and tight. But it can measure all kind of stuff. Number one, it can measure distance. You can just see right there to the wall, and it tells you what it is. 5 feet 6 inches. All right, 5 feet 6 inches right there. You can see it after I had hit the button twice. But really cool option for that one. You can also change the measurement. So I liked it when I got it. It was in meters, and so you can change it to like inches, feet, or whatever type of measurement you want, which is really nice. Again, the screen looks really good, and on the functionality right here, you can do different ones. It's great because it only has 3 buttons, so it's not hard to understand. You got your functions. You can do length. You can do area. So if you need to do area of an item, you can do volume. Pythagorean theorem if you need to get some grade, because you see this right here, it has this, so you can actually put it on places and it will can measure that, which is nice. Do some angles, levels. That's a cool one because you can see this right here. You can do the levels, and so if you put it down on the table, well, you have to put it this way. I don't know if you can even see it on the screen, but if you do it this way, this is actually measuring levelness, which is nice. So it's a really cool and easy way to do that. But you see, again, tape. Got a tape measure right here. So again, you can measure it out, see how far things are. So right there, it's really cool because I'm measuring it to the wall over there. Has a laser, it's measuring it and lasering it out. 227 inches. So really cool. So then again, now it's doing the ceiling right above us. You can see right there. So cool little feature with that. A lot of different pieces. Indoors. So if you have the indoor and your settings, again, your settings, you can do units, reference, record, sounds. Probably great to turn the sounds off there. But rotating, delay, and then also calibrate. So all the different features with this. This is a cool little item. It's just rechargeable right here. See a USB-C charge right there. You just plug that up and charge it. Really easy right there. Really easy to use function. Uses the laser measure. But it's a super cool option. I think it's a really great, if you need some type of like smaller device, if you just want to do a bunch of measurements and you have to use this, it's really great. You can put it against the wall, get distance really quick, get some rough numbers, and even get some specific numbers as well. So really cool option. I like it. Pretty heavy duty. Again, I like the size of it. I have some of these. They're a little bit bigger, but this one's great because it fits, again, in this case, and it's gonna do a good job. Heavy duty, hard stuff. So I think that's great. So if you need some type of option for this, again, a great little measure tool. Also has all the other features of this as well. I think this is a great one for you to check out. Works really well. I like Sigmund. Their brand is great. Highly recommend. Check it out.